Let's go and make a few TikToks and take a pair of clothes and frocks, a few silly acts, perhaps 2 or 3. We will then film a catwalk spree, then 1 or 2 a bit of funny. Let's dance in some while day is sunny and show off acting skills you have, a bit of lip sync acts, then nav.
Sit down at a nice and cozy place and talk to fans with style and grace. And after filming many a TikTok, let's have some dolphiny talk. Then choose a place to eat a meal